Hello everyone. So hope you all are doing extremely well. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe my channel, guys, if you haven't done yet, because I will be bringing so many placement related videos to my channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, you might miss them. So let's go. As you gone through the thumbnail, we will be solving coding questions that has been coming Accenture recently. So this is your question, guys. So let's put an eye on problem statement. Okay, so this is a game where there are steps numbered from 0 to nth steps, like there are numbering from 0 to n steps. So you will be on nth position, means you will be on last position on the start of the game, and your goal is to reach the 0th step at the end of the game. So you will be on 0th position, and your goal is to reach to 0th position, right? Okay, let's move. Okay, at the end of the game with minimum number of jumps. Yeah, the main case is here, like you have to move from nth steps to 0th step, but with minimum number of jumps, right? So if the given step number is even, so let's assume, like if given number is even number, like we can see a 10. So we are allowed to jump n by 2 steps. Okay, if the step number is odd, then you are allowed to jump only one jump. Yeah, one step, you can say. Okay, and at last we have to find the minimum number of steps required to win this game from the given input. Okay, so I thought I yeah, let's check a test case here. Like we are having 10th as our sample input. So yeah, so 10th is an obviously even number, so we will move n by 2, like from 10 to 5th, and it will be one jump, right? After that we will be it's an even odd number, right? So for this case we will be moving only one jump, so 5 to 4, and it's second jump. Again 4 is an even number, so n by 2, it's a third jump. And again 2 is an even number, so n by 2, that is 2 by 2, that is 1, and it's a 4 jump. At last it's an even number, odd number, so we will one jump. And of course we don't need to jump more than 0, right? So yeah, finally we reached. So total number of jump is 5. So 1 2 3 4 and 5. So yeah, so this is a problem statement. So let's back. Now we will write a code for this. So first we have to take an input, that is n type. Okay, basically I will be doing code in Python, guys. So you can if you have understand the problem statement, you can do in any language. Okay, take a jump at 0, like initially we don't have any jump. Okay, let's loop it, like we will be looping so that for going nth position to 0th position. Okay, so we will be checking for even or odd. What's the value of first input that we have here, n? Okay, and we have already gone through, like if it's an even number, so we will be okay, so if it's an even number by 2, that means it's an even number. So for this case we will be jumping n by 2, right? And we have a jump count that initially okay, fine. Yeah, so we will count the jump here. And if, yeah, and else means if this case doesn't happen. Okay, so second case will be that for an odd number, right? So this case will come in action when sorry, I missed the comma. Yep, now good to go. Okay, for this we will just decrement one value, like we will be taking only one jump. And yeah, so increment the jump. Fine. See, guys, again let's have a look on this question. Like there are two scenarios. If the position is even, okay, so we will be jumping n by 2. See, if the position is even, we will be jumping n by 2. Okay, and if the position is odd, we are jumping one step, right? But see, jump will be same, like count will be same, na? How many jumps you are taking, the number of steps, it doesn't it depends totally on the digit, like it's an even or odd. So yeah, we are reducing that digit on that basis, but we are counting one jump for both of the cases. So at last, if this continues, I mean, when the n will be equal to 0, okay, so then we will loop out from the loop, and then print the value of jump. Okay, let's run this, give the test case. See, you guys can see here, for this case input is 10 and output is 5, right? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. I will be bringing so many interesting videos regarding placements, and so many, I will be solving so many coding questions also here, and bringing so many updates regarding everything. So guys, stay tuned, like, and make sure to if you like my video, make sure to subscribe my channel and like and share to your friends also. Thank you so much guys.